There are so many ways you can make money using Canva, and in this video I'm going to be showing you one sweet way you can actually make money using Canva. It's not selling template, blah blah blah. No. I'm going to show you how you can become a Canva affiliate, which means you talking about Canva, letting people sign up and you getting paid for that. So this is one of the ways you can make money using Canva, and it doesn't matter if you are on 10,000 followers or you're on 1k follower or you have just 500 followers. This is something you can be able to do. So I'm going to show you all the ways you can do that, and at the end of the video I'm also going to share a workshop recording with you on how you can make money using Canva. This actually covers all of the things that you can do to make money using Canva. It's a workshop I organized recently for my workshop, and I think you watching this video, I think it would also benefit you as well. So let's jump straight into it. Hey everyone, Benjamin here, a verified Canva expert based in Ghana. If this is your first time on this channel, subscribing to this channel is all you need to do to become an OG. And if you're an OG joining me today, look, I really appreciate you for the continued support. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into Canva. Without any further ado, let's jump into the video and let me just show you what you can do to become a Canva affiliate. Who is an affiliate and what does it mean to become an affiliate? So becoming an affiliate means that you are one person who gets to promote any service, any product or anything at all. So for myself, I'm a Canva affiliate because I always talk about Canva and I always get to promote Canva and always encourage people to sign up on Canva. So this makes me an affiliate, and through that I get to earn commissions from Canva, which helps to support this channel and African Geek as a whole. So this is how you can also become an affiliate. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. And also note that this doesn't only apply to Canva, because this platform I'm going to show you does not only work with Canva, it works with so many brands. We have thousands of brands in there where you can just apply and become an affiliate, and this alone would give you the opportunity to be able to promote so many brands and you being paid for it. Okay, so let me show you what you can do. So the first place you need to go to is impact.com. okay, and please make sure you're following because I'm going to show you everything you need to do. Okay, so come to impact.com and make sure you are signing up. Okay, I already have an account, so I just come to sign in and it should load just to make sure everything is verified. Okay, so you can see some verification ongoing, and yeah, everything is loaded. So I just log in and it should load quickly. So in my account, after you create your account, you can see, you get to see your earnings, total pending, and we have the balance. Okay, so when you come in there, what you need to do is to go into brands. Okay, and you can see we have find brands, my brands, invites, proposals, all of that can be done from here. Where you need to go is find brands. Okay, so when you come into find brands, okay, you will be shown so many brands you can actually work with. But one thing I would advise you is that always make sure you're going in for brands you support, brands you use, and brands you actually love. Okay, this will make it easy when you are promoting them. This is what you need to keep in mind. All right, okay, so you can see there's so many brands in here, so I can come to all brands and there are so many ones in here. But since we are talking about how to become a Canva affiliate, what you need to make sure is to search for Canva. Okay, and I don't expect it to show because I'm already supporting Canva, so you can see it's not even showing. But if I'm to come into my brands in here, Canva should show in here because I'm already a Canva affiliate. So we can see we have it in here. Okay, so all the thing has been done, all the processes has been done, so I don't have to do anything more. So this is what you need to do. Let's assume I wasn't a Canva affiliate. How can you apply? This is how you can do it. So I'll choose any random brand and take you through the process. Okay, I'll come to all brands. Okay, and as we are here, we'll just go through the brands and I'll just choose a random brand to work with. Okay, so I think I would go with NordVPN for this tutorial. Right, so make sure you read some of these things. Okay, so the response, you can see the EPC. Okay, you can see the response, how fast they get to response, the acceptance rate, okay, and the funding status. The main thing you have to focus on is the response and acceptance rate. Okay, how they get to accept, how easy are they going to accept you. So that is what you have to look out for. Okay, now we can see preferred business models, loyalty, coupons, network. So these are the ways they all actually get to work. Right, so come into apply and we'll ask you, tell NordVPN why you want to work on this campaign. And this is something I cherish a lot because anytime I'm applying, I let them know that it's a brand I'm already using and I actually support what they are doing, and that's why I want to promote them to my audience. Okay, so what I can say is I love NordVPN for the service it provides and how securely it protects my network when I browse the internet. I'm a huge fan and I would love to support to spread the word about NordVPN. Maybe I can add to my audience. So So you can see I'm basically letting them know I love what they are doing, and I also would love to spread the word about it, and this alone usually gets me to be accepted into any of them. Okay, so all I have to do now is to click apply. So you can apply to as many brands as possible, and one of the things you can also have in mind is that when, let's say, for example, you are writing a blog and you're writing about a certain subject, you can also find affiliates from impact.com, so that when people read your blog, they also get suggestions into some services they can use. And with these services, once they click on the link, you actually get to be paid. All right, so that is with it. So how can you make money with this? So let's say you've been accepted. Okay, so I'll go into my Canva. Okay, so come to my brands and come to Canva. When you get accepted, one of the things you can do is actually to generate some links, okay, and some images. So if I come in here, you can see we have create link, okay, and share it anytime I'm promoting Canva, and that's how you would usually promote it. Some of the brands have like images and some ads you can actually promote, and this is what you can do, okay, or this is where you can find it. So when you get accepted, you can come into content and you can come to assets. Okay, so under assets we have images, we have videos, all of these things. So you can just come into images, for example, okay, and depending on the brand, so if it's Canva like this, I will just have to search for Canva images in here. So I can just search for Canva, and you can see we have some images from Canva where I can add to my website. So how do I add them? I can simply click on it, okay, then I can get the link. So I can get the add code. So I just copy this and paste it on my website, or a tracking link, okay, which is also cool, and you can also view the performance and all of that. So you can see, and there are so many sizes in there, very beautiful. You can just choose them, and some of the brands have videos. Okay, so I think Canva has a video, okay, which you can also use for your website. We have coupons. Canva also has that in there. We have articles. Depending on the brands, they would have that. Some brands wouldn't have. So these are some of the things you would want to look into, and it gives you an idea of the various ways you can promote the brand. And just in case you also want to check the recording of my workshop, which also gives you more ways on how you can make money using Canva, the link can be found in the description box below. Okay, so this is how you can actually make money with Canva and how you can become a Canva affiliate. Okay, I think this is very easy and very simple. So just create an account, go through, apply, and just in case you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. The name is Benjamin. Always remember, there is no limit to creativity, and I should see you in my next video.
I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground and it go off. Yeah, hit the ground and it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah.